Today, we're diving into a showdown between two fresh contenders in the all-season tire market, the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro, launched in 2023, and the brand-new Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 of 2024. Both of these tires boast the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating, proving their capability in diverse weather conditions, with each vying for dominance across wet, dry, and snowy terrains. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with wet performance, a key factor for all-season tires. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 outshines the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro. It stops 3.2 meters shorter in wet braking, handles 4.1 kilometers per hour faster, and resists aquaplaning up to 83.3 kilometers per hour compared to the Falken's 71.4 kilometers per hour. These results emphasize the Pirelli's superior safety and control in wet conditions. For snow performance, both tires have the 3-peak snowflake mountain rating, but the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 leads. It stops only 0.1 meters shorter in snow braking but shines in traction with 213 newtons more force. It also handles better at 57 kilometers per hour, 4 kilometers per hour faster than the Falken, making it a more reliable choice in snowy conditions for better traction and control. For dry performance, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 leads, stopping 2.2 meters shorter than the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro, while it is only 0.2 km per hour faster in handling. The shorter braking distance enhances safety and control, providing more confidence on dry roads. For noise, both tires are almost the same, Falken at 72.9 decibels and Pirelli at 72.8 decibels, a tiny 0.1 decibels difference. Both offer a quiet and comfortable ride, making noise negligible as a deciding factor. Lastly, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 has significantly better rolling resistance than the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro, resulting in better fuel efficiency and lower energy consumption, making it more economical and eco-friendly. To wrap things up, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 stands out in this comparison, delivering superior performance in wet, dry, and snowy conditions. On the other hand, the Falken Euroall Season AS220 Pro matches in snow braking, dry handling, and noise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.